I was about to say hi.
We're back again. What are we making today, girls?
Skillet chicken with mushroom sauce. I'm probably not gonna like the mushroom sauce part. And Brussels sprouts and rice.
With Brussels sprouts and rice. We're in the middle of, let me turn you around. So we have our chicken already finished. I've got it in the microwave. Let's show you guys the chicken.
Right here.
I've got it covered, staying warm. So we
Looks
did
delicious.
chicken with the roasted garlic grapeseed oil, and we patted it down with the garlic galore seasoning blend. Smells so good. And so Claire, what have you got in here? So after we took the chicken out,
I got
mushrooms and unsalted butter. We're gonna saute that for another 2 minutes and 40 seconds.
Butter could be salted.
Yeah, it can be salted or unsalted. Yeah.
That's just weird.
So you're hopping on, say hello.
Hello.
Or if you're watching the replay. So the mushrooms are starting to cook down some. Oh.
I just gotta tell you, Mommy's very funny.
I'm very funny.
Yeah.
And again, I printed off the recipe. This is the skillet chicken with mushroom cream sauce. Again, it has the grocery list and the step-by-step instructions for everything you need.
Definitely recommend it.
Yes, me too. Simple, simple.
Yummy.
So what's the next step after the mushrooms? Okay, you want to read it? We're on step number 3.
I just gotta tell you something. I wish you were here so you can smell the smell. It's delicious. Just like look at it. Look at it.
Look at it.
Yeah. It may look gross, but it smells delicious. Yummy.
Girls
It
are so
looks
silly.
gross, but smells delicious. It looks yummy, but smells gross.
You just said it smelled delicious.
Anyways, I'm gonna read step number 3 now.
I think you girls are being silly. All right, what's next, Caitlin?
Add chicken broth and stir
What's the next step?
the glaze, I think it's called.
All right, we're gonna add the chicken broth. Caitlin, do you want to grab the chicken broth?
Can I come in now?
Sure thing. Claire, you're gonna scrape all that up off the bottom, give it a good mix.
What's that step?
We're gonna get this mixed up, and then we're gonna add in the.
now.
Look at this now,
Yeah.
girl. You're on top of it.
Yummy.
Scrape all that off the bottom.
I wish you can eat this at home. Chinese restaurant.
That chicken, right?
Yummy. I don't know. I wish you can be here now. Wish you can be here now so you can eat this.
It's almost finished. All right, give it a good mix, all the bottom. Good job. All right, Caitlin, do you want to pour in the
Wait, she just poured.
creamer and the Dijon
I'm pouring it.
mustard? Yum.
This looks like
Oh, let's turn that one off.
mustard. This looks like chocolate milk with mushrooms.
Yep. Pop that in there.
It doesn't want to come out.
Oh, we forgot to add the onion. Throw the onion in there. Let's cook that real quick.
Anyways, this is done. I already had it.
Let's get that onion cooking. So that is a half of a red onion.
Yes, you need half of it. I don't know how to pronounce it.
You know how to pronounce what?
Specifically.
Specifically?
Yes. Now this looks bad, but it smells amazing now.
Does amazing. So we're going to have with this. We're going to have it with rice and Brussels sprouts.
Here are the frozen Brussels sprouts.
All right. So guys, we will show you a picture of what it looks like when we're finished.
We just gotta get started.
So we're going to simmer this, and we're going to put the chicken back in and cook for about 5 more minutes.
The spices.
Oh, we didn't put the spice in there yet?
Can we add them?
Let's see. We're going to reduce heat, stir in heavy cream Dijon mustard. Oh yeah, let's put the steaker sauce in there. That's the one I've been wanting to try. Yes. That is the Rancher Steak Rub.
Now do I add the cornstarch?
What's in here? Bum, bum. Smells so good. So it's sea salt, black pepper, garlic, allspice, cinnamon, cloves, and ginger, all organic. You know how I am so picky about my ingredients.
Yes,
I love
she
how
loves
simple it is.
I just gotta tell you, do you know why Mom is funny?
Why?
Because you read, I love my wash shoes, I love my brush shoes, I love my blue shoes, I love my wet shoes, so funny.
Oh, you're talking about Pete the cat. We've been reading Pete the cat lately. Yep. All right, so as soon as these onions cook.
Can I add this in now?
Not yet. We're going to do that when we add in the water.
Teaspoon 4, and I'm gonna mix.
All right, so we will see you guys shortly when we get finished.
Mommy,
Say bye.
I want to film a little bit longer.
You want to film a little bit longer?
Yeah. Yeah, so we can add a lot of stuff.
All right, we're not ready for that one yet.
Don't mind the part that we said bye.
You want to keep talking?
Yes.
Hang out for a little while?
Don't leave. Don't leave.
All right, so you got the mustard in there too?
Yes, I just added.
So I'll tell you guys again in case you missed it yesterday. So I got the September collection, and that was the Rancher Steak Rub, Garlic Galore, the Lasagna Skillet Meal Seasoning, the taco seasoning. It was $40, and then I bought it with the Club Wild Tree, and then I purchased the roasted garlic grapeseed oil. And I got a few other things that I wanted to try too. I got guacamole, chipotle lime rub, and the Fiesta salsa mix. And then I was able to get $9 in credit just from purchasing these to purchase on any other products that I wanted as well.
I'm turning my head this way,
Oh.
this way.
I am sorry, I'm missing your face.
Can I add this
So each month comes a different collection. This is the September collection. So what I love about the Wild Tree Club is that each month you can try something different.
Can I say to add the water to the cornstarch?
I'm gonna cook the onions
And
just a little bit.
And I just want you to know, Leia is getting fat.
Leia is our cat.
My cat. And she's getting fat. We call her Fatima Patty. Not anymore.
You're silly.
Caitlin's getting Leia.
All right, Caitlin, you want to grab in the other stuff? Say we will see you guys later. We're gonna finish this up, get it plated, and be ready to eat.
I want to do more.
You say bye?
I want to do more.
Say bye. Bye, guys.